Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your the new YouTube profile look like this, what I've got now. And first click themes and colours, then click on 8-bit theme. Now what you want to change on it is the wrapper text colour, make it light green, wrapper link colour light green, wrapper transparency none. No, you can have background image if you want. Repeat background if you want. Title text colour should be green, light green. Link colour should be light green, and body text colour should also be light green. Transparency none. Thank you, and I will be. This is ASC Computer Man signing off.